향기가 좋겠지. 여기에 어울리는 향수까지 온몸에 퍼져나가 발끝까지. 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 kiss. No 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 no. 어머나 우리를 살랑살랑 흔들어대. 다 모르는 척 여울 안에 여우 여우 속닥거리는 시기지. 좀 무서워 나. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. 아찔한 립스틱 모두가 원하는 kiss. 내가 좀 예뻐 두 눈을 뗄 수 없지. Oh see my bad. Oh see my bad. Oh see my bad. Oh see my bad. 미로가 다 어떡해. 알면서 빙빙빙빙 자꾸만 빙빙빙빙 돌려서 빙빙빙빙 알다가도 몰라. 머리는 징징징징 귓가에 빙빙빙빙 눈보는 그만. 난 듣고 싶은 걸 와. 몰라 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 내맘 몰라. 몰라 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 잘 알아. 몰라 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 깜짝 놀라. 말해줘 내게 You need me baby 빙빙. 새하얀 나를 제발 가둬두지 말아줘. 순진했던 난 사랑 앞에 어린 애. 난 사랑 앞에 어린 애. 사랑은 really really make me silly silly. 내 모습 어수없죠. 내 모습 어수없죠. 내 맘은 really really hot like chili chili. 나 계속 미치해져. 난 사랑 앞에 어린 애.
어린 애 Baby 오늘 밤이 마지막일 거라면 사랑이 원래 유치해도 받아줄 순 없니. 기다림과 이 집착은 네가 만든 거라고. 또 미워한 마음조차 가져본 적 없었어. 하얀 나를 제발 깎아놓지 말아줘. 성진했던
사랑 앞에 어린 애. 어린 애. 난 사랑 앞에 어린 애. 사랑은 really really make me silly silly. 내 모습 어수없죠. 내 모습 어수없죠. 내 맘은 really really hot like chili chili. 나 계속 미치해져. 난 사랑 앞에 어린 애.
Hi Nature, I just want to say that I love and appreciate you guys so much. You make me feel so happy, even when I'm sad. You're all so talented and sweet, and you are the most wonderful idols ever. I hope I can continue supporting you in the future, and I hope we can meet in person one day soon. Thank you for everything you've done for me. I love you so much. 사랑해요.
Hi, I'm Tina. I just wanted to say that I love you guys and I love all of your music. And I just wanted to say thank you guys for making me smile every single day. Love you. Bye.
Hi, I just wanted to say how much I love you guys and I'm super excited to be seeing you again.
Hi Nature! My name is Madison and I love you guys so much. I really liked your song Girls and I can't wait for your next comeback. I love you!
Hi Nature, I just want to say thank you for everything you do for us, Leafs. We really appreciate all your hard work and effort that you put into everything you do. We are so thankful we get to call ourselves your fans, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for you. Thank you for everything, and we all love you so much.
Hi Nature, my name is Sammy. Thank you so much for having this fan meet for us, USA fans. I hope one day I can actually meet you in person so I can give you a huge hug. I love you girls so much. You mean the world to me. You have no idea. You make me so happy. I love you so much. So I hope you guys are happy and healthy always. Love you.
Hello Nature! I met you for my birthday on July 19th, and I just wanted to say thank you for making my whole birthday. I am so proud of you guys, and I am so glad that you guys are joining this fan meet. I hope you have a fun time. I love you.
Hi, I love you.
Hello! Thank you, Nature, for working hard for us. We love you very much. Please remember that. And I am still very new to the group, so I still have lots to learn. But I know you guys have good music and good personality, so stay a good group and keep being good. Love you!
Hey Nature, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for working hard and delivering amazing music and performances and experience for all of us fans across the entire world and here in the United States. I'm so happy to be supporting you guys, and I love listening to y'all's music and watching y'all's performances. Please keep up the good work, stay healthy, and have a great time. We're looking forward to seeing you in the United States soon.
Hello Nature, this is Isabella. I'm so glad that you guys have reached your second anniversary, and I'm really grateful that you guys have been sticking through it even with all the lineup changes and everything. You guys mean the world to me. I love you guys. You have unknowingly made my life a whole lot better and gave me a really safe space and created a place where I can find so many great friends, and I basically think of Leafs as family, and I hope that we can be your family too. And I really appreciate everything you do. Please stay strong, healthy while you promote. We can't wait to see you come back, but take some time off. Rest, enjoy yourself. Go to Busan with Sohee. Let her drive you to Busan. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.
안녕하세요. Michael입니다. My name is Michael, and I want to say that these past years, that it has been really fun to really support Nature. And when it comes to Nature, I've been a fan since the 2019 era. From Dream About You. I've seen a lot of things already at this point, and that's like a testament. That's a testament for me as a Leaf to be so proud of every one of you. That it just brims with goodness. If I was gonna give like a personal to y'all, to every one of you, I would first start with from 2019, and I watched 2018. From the beginning, from the debut. The thinking that comes to mind. The feeling that comes to mind also. And I will say this, that I am thankful for every one of you to debut and become the artist that you are now. I am thankful. I am thankful that you are you're still going on as an artist, and that you're striving to become better and greater than you are. I am thankful for all the singing and the performance that we're able to see, from on you on the stage, from different YouTube channels, from different content out there. I'm just thankful that you're always moving forward. As to to do the thing they want to do and succeed at it. Be happy. 3, 2, 1. Nating!
Hello, I'm Kara, and I'm one of the administrators for the USA Fan Meet. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to Nature, NCH World, and the amazing staff for giving us this opportunity and also being very helpful throughout the whole process the past few months of communicating with us and everything. Having been at Leaf from debut, I've watched from afar as an international fan. Ever since Nature's first fan meeting in 2019, I knew I had to meet them one day and see them in concert. Although online over Zoom isn't ideal, I still appreciate the chance to have a fan meeting. And I know this day will be really special for everyone, and I hope we all have fun. Thank you for everything.
Hi, my name is Lily. I am one of the administrators for the USA Fan Meeting, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone involved because this is such an awesome opportunity, and I'm really, really grateful for having been involved in this. We don't get a lot of opportunities as international fans to partake in events like this, and I think it's really awesome that despite the circumstances, we're able to still hold an event like this, and I think it's really fun. Second of all, I just wanted to say how proud of Nature I am. I've been a fan since debut, and it's really awesome to see how far they've grown and how popular they've gotten. Like, it's a really proud feeling. Lastly, all I just wanted to say is I love you girls, and I'm really excited for this event. I think we're all gonna have a really good time.
Hello, my name is Mallory, and I'm an administrator for the USA Fan Meet.
Firstly, I'd like to thank NCH and their staff for giving international fans a chance to participate in a fan meet, as well as the 100 American Leafs who overall made this possible.
It has been 2 years. To know that Nature's fan base has become so diverse and grown so much is very, very inspiring, and it makes me very proud.
Overall, I hope today is a day that we all can remember, and hopefully it will lead to some more opportunities in the future. Bye bye!